Artisan Louver PTAC Unit is designed to be combined with our Artisan Casement, Artisan Awning, or Artisan Picture window, and is ideal for hotel installations. The frame features precision-cut, mitered corners, polyurethane thermal barriers, wide-styled profiles, a snap-in glazing stop with no exposed screw heads, and a 1-inch integral nail fin, or finless as required. The integral louver features a 3-inch inside frame height sized for standard PTAC base units and granite sills, an internal mullion, and heavy-duty louver blades and blank-out panels that can easily be removed for maintenance. These units are built to accommodate the corresponding PTAC unit and are sized accordingly. A variety of anodized and high-performance paint finishes are available.